Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Real quickly, I just want to let everyone know that I will be taking a little bit of time off away from my home office and celebrating the holiday weekend and the July 4th holiday with my family. So there will be a few days where I will be away and not posting job leads, but I promise to be back sometime next week with new job leads for you. But before I leave, I wanted to deliver just one more lead for you. For those of you who will be at home this weekend, you can go ahead and get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company Leidos, and they are a security company. They are hiring a second shift evening hours customer support representative. This is full-time for my United States folks only, and this is 100% remote telework. So this position is second shift, so the hours are 3 o'clock p.m. to 11 p.m., so it's the afternoon evening hours. They are looking for someone to answer and respond to service requests for maintenance and repair of the X-ray inspection systems. So you'll have to interact not only with the TSA at the airlines, but also with cruise lines, federal buildings, government facilities, and other customers. You'll also interface with the field service staff to make sure they are assigned and dispatched out to their service request and provide status and updates on that. You'll process the service orders, order the parts that are needed, and prepare the correspondence, and you'll follow and execute all procedures. So you'll also have to provide informative, proactive feedback to management. So for this position, they do not require any college degree, but they do want someone who is in high school diploma or GED. They are looking for someone who has 5 years of customer service experience and has professional maturity. Someone who can work the Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. Someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, is a quick thinker and a problem solver, someone who is detail-oriented and the ability to multitask. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience you bring to the table. They have their pay range chart listed here. The very low end is $29,900. The middle range is $46,000. And then top of the line high range is $62,000. So HR will price you in between high, medium, and low, depending on where your experience falls. A lot of companies do this. The company that I work for, they do this. We have what's called pay bands. A low, medium, and high is set, and then you get priced somewhere in there depending on your experience. So if you have no experience, you get the low end. If you have lots of experience, you get the high end. And if you have just a little bit of experience, you get priced in the middle. That is how most companies do it, and that is how they are doing it. One benefit the company Leidos has is on their website in the job posting. In the right-hand corner, there's a little chat pop-up box. If you have any questions regarding this position and you're interested in it and want to find out more information, you can actually chat with a recruiter in that chat box, which not many companies have, so that is a great feature if you are interested in this position. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.